Replacing the battery on your MetaQuest Touch Plus controller is pretty simple. First, go ahead, turn it to the right-hand side, and you'll find that this top here, this little triangle, is actually a button for you to release the section here that contains your battery, just like that. Now you can easily remove it, and here is your battery. So it comes with a AA battery. Go ahead, go to the bottom here, and you can just pry this one open here. Let's go ahead and do that now, just like that. And it easily comes out, and then all you have to do, insert the new battery, slowly press down with some force, and then just go ahead, take the back plate cover here, first line it back up within the grooves, and then just slowly apply pressure up until you hear an audible click. And there you go. It is now replaced.